Case and matter analysis. The SQE2 written assessments are conducted over 3 half days and include 3 case and matter analysis exercises. In this assessment, the candidate must provide a partner with legal analysis and advice on a case in the form of a written report. Candidates will be given a summary of a scenario with supporting documentation and will then have 60 minutes to review the information, identify the pertinent facts and legal principles, and provide client-focused advice. Negotiation skills may also be tested in this assessment, where the candidate will need to present practical solutions for multiple parties to resolve a dispute or agree on the terms of a transaction, for example. The marking of all the SQE2 assessments is judgment-based rather than according to a checklist and considers the following criteria: identification of relevant facts, demonstrating client focus in the written advice, using clear and correct language. The legal criteria remain the same: correct application of the law and comprehensive application, including any potential ethical or conduct issues. There are several elements to consider in preparing for this SQE2 assessment. With only 1 hour to compile your report, every minute counts. During this time, you will need to quickly read through a case file and supporting documents and identify the relevant facts, analyze the situation against the relevant legal principles, focus on the client's wishes, ensure that the report itself is clearly written and well structured with suitable headings for each item to be considered. Our case and matter analysis mock includes written and oral components. First, the candidate submits a written draft. The work is then assessed by a qualified solicitor, first via written comments, followed up by a discussion with the candidate via a video call. Oral interaction with the tutor in this activity is conducted for up to 25 minutes. All our SQE mock stations are offered on our custom-built Super Exam platform, which is designed to mirror the SQE assessments, giving you the best opportunity to practice in realistic scenarios so that you know exactly what to expect when you sit the SQE. We understand that the preparation requirements of each candidate is unique, so we have designed our SQE online school to be easily tailored to your specific needs. We are happy to recommend certain SQE2 mocks or combinations, so feel free to reach out to us for further advice.